In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your X, formerly Twitter, password quickly and safely. Whether you've forgotten your login details, want to update your account security, or just prefer to change your password regularly, this step-by-step guide will walk you through the entire process. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple social media tutorials just like this. All right, let's get started. First, open x.com and make sure you're signed into the account you want to update. Once you're on the home screen, look at the left-hand navigation menu. Near the bottom, you'll see the More icon. Click that to open additional options. This is where X keeps a lot of account settings that aren't shown in the main menu. From the menu that appears, click Settings and Privacy. This will take you into your account settings area, where you can manage security, privacy, notifications, and more. If you're trying to improve your account security, this is the section you'll want to become familiar with. Next, click Your Account. This section contains the options related to your login, account information, and password settings. After that, select Change Your Password. Once you click it, X will open the password change form. Now you'll need to type your current password. Make sure you enter it carefully because if the password is wrong, you won't be able to continue. Then, in the new password field, enter the password you want to use going forward. Choose something strong, unique, and hard to guess. A good password should include a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols if possible. After that, confirm your new password by typing it again in the confirmation box. This double check helps make sure there are no typos before you save the change. Take a second to review both entries so you don't accidentally lock yourself out or create a password you won't remember. Once everything looks correct, click Save to apply your new password. X will update your account immediately and your password will be changed. In some cases, you may be asked to sign in again on other devices. So if you're logged into X on your phone, tablet, or another browser, you may need to enter the new password there as well. And that's it. You've now changed your X.com or Twitter password in just a few simple steps. If you found this tutorial useful, please give it a like. Subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you never miss an easy how-to guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.